How to buy E4C, the E4C token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account. They have a big community, as you can see. Just take a look on their account. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and the token is on the coin market cap. Now, as you can see, you find uh, more information about it, their website, their social media, their address. Now in market, as you can see, this token is available in KuCoin, Mexi, Git.io, BingMax. So if you use one of these platforms, you can select one of these. For example, Mexi. If you click on it, they will direct you to buy this token. Now, as you can see, first of all, make sure to log into your Mixi account. Now, after that, go and to buy this token, just click on market. Now, as you can see, type how much USDT you want to buy with. And after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the E4C token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.